Hello, children. Chapter 8 A Game of Chance. Questions and Answers. Working with text. Complete the following sentences from memory, choosing a phrase from those given in brackets. A big fair was held at the time of the Eid festival. Answer: a big fair. Tradesmen came to the village with all kinds of goods to sell. Answer: to sell. Third, uncle told me not to buy anything while he was away. Answer: not to buy anything. The owner of the lucky shop wanted everybody present to try their luck. Answer: to try their luck. The first time I took a chance, I got 2 pencils. Answer: 2 pencils. Uncle told me that the shopkeeper had made a fool of me. Answer: a fool of me. Answer the following questions. First, why do you think Rashid's uncle asked him not to buy anything in his absence? Answer: Rashid's uncle asked him not to buy anything in his absence because he knew that the shopkeepers would cheat him. Second, why was the shop called Lucky Shop? Answer: the shop was called Lucky Shop because everybody can try their luck. Third, an old man won a clock and sold it back to the shopkeeper. How much money did he make? Answer: the old man made 15 rupees by selling the clock back to the shopkeeper. 4. How many prizes did the boy win? What were they? Answer: the boy won 4 prizes. They were a comb, a fountain pen, a wristwatch, and a table lamp. Fifth, why was Rashid upset? Rashid was upset because he had hopes of winning a big prize and he continued trying his luck again and again. But every time he got a riffle. People were looking at him and laughing at his bad luck, but no one showed any sympathy. He played till he finished all his money. Sixth, in what way did the shopkeeper make a fool of Rashid? Answer: the shopkeeper played tricks to tempt to try his luck by making him believe that it was luck that got the old man and the boy their prizes, but in reality they were friends of the shopkeeper. Therefore, Rashid tried his luck again and again, but only got some cheap things which he sold back to the shopkeeper and lost all his money. Working the language. The words given against the sentences below can be used both as nouns and verbs. Use them appropriately to fill in the blanks. First, the 2 teams have played 3 matches already. Answer: played. The last day's play was excellent. Answer: play. Second, she has a lovely face. Answer: face. India is facing a number of problems these days. Answer: is facing. Third, he made his mark in essay writing. Answer: mark. Articles marked sold as reserved. Answer: marked. Fourth, the police are combing the area to catch the burglars. Answer: combing. Second, an ordinary plastic comb costs 5 rupees. Answer: comb. Fifth, he gave a smile in answer to my question. Answer: smile. We also smiled to see him smile. Answer: smiled. Sixth, he said he hoped to be invited to the party. Answer: hoped. We gave up hope of his joining the party. Answer: hope. The boys put up a good athletic show. Answer: show. The soldiers showed great courage in saving people from floods. Answer: showed. 8th, you deserve a pat on the back for your good performance. Answer: pat. The teacher patted the child on the cheek to encourage her. Answer: patted. Notice the use of there in the following sentences. There was a big crowd at the fair. There were many things I would have liked to buy. Now rewrite the following sentences using there in the beginning. Look at the following examples. I can do nothing to help you. There is nothing I can do to help you. A man at the door is asking to see you. There is a man at the door asking to see you. This park has beautiful roses. Answer: there are beautiful roses in this park. Second, your story has no fun in it. Answer: there is no fun in your story. Third, we have no secrets between us. Answer: there are no secrets between us. Fourth, my village has 2 primary schools. Answer: there are 2 primary schools in my village. Fifth, this problem can be solved in 2 ways. Answer: there are 2 ways to solve this problem. Fill in the blanks in the paragraph below with words from the box. There was a big Eid fair in our village. We could buy anything from a tiny toy to a huge camel. I went to the fair on its last day with uncle and bhaiya. We went to the lucky shop. It was very interesting. I tried my luck but did not win any prize. Later, uncle told me that I was more foolish than unlucky.